Welcome, dear friends. Today we are entering a world of wood warmth, memory, and handcrafted Christmas magic. A piece where a simple piece of wood becomes symbol of love, and crafting becomes a lesson for the heart. So sit comfortably, let your heart beat slow, and let the story begin. In a quiet snowy village, long ago, there lived an old carpenter named Rowan. His workshop was small, just a wooden table, a tiny window, and shelves lined with tiny wooden ornaments, and he had carved over many winters. He did not carve furniture, he did not build houses. Instead, he carved small things, little stars, wooden reindeers, tiny bells, snowflakes, and heart. People would ask him, Rowan, why spend time on such tiny pieces? They sell for so little? He would smile softly and answers, because the small things stay in the heart the longest. One December evening, a cold wind blew through the village. Families stayed inside, and the only sound was a tiny tap, tap, tap of Rowan carbon woods. On his table lay small pieces of wood, sandpaper, a little carving knife, natural twine for hanging, and a tiny cup of warm tea. He picked up a true little block of pine wood. Slowly, patiently, he began to shape it. First, he removed the sharp edges, then, he carved gentle, round curves. Bit by bit, and would begin to reveal its shape. From a simple block into a tiny Christmas star, he smoothed it with sandpaper, brushed away the dust, and tied a thin string at the top. He held it up to the candlelight, and it glowed simple, pure, and warm, just like the spirit of Christmas itself. And the little girl. Now we talk about little girl. One day a little girl named Leela visited Rowan. Her family had very little money that winter, and she so sad because they could not afford Christmas ornaments. Rowan looked at her gently and said, Would you like to learn something? She nodded. So he placed a small block of wood in her hands. Her fingers were tiny and unsure. Don't rush, Rowan whispered. Wood teaches patience. Every stroke is a quiet moment with yourself. Together they carved, slow, steady, peaceful. Leela shaped her wood into a tiny heart. It was not perfect, but it was hers. When she finished, Rowan said, Christmas is not about buying things. It is about making something with love and giving that love away. Her eyes sparkled with understanding. The lesson. That Christmas evening, Leela hung her little wooden heart on her family's small tree. It was just one decoration, but it filled the whole room with warmth. Her mother asked, where did this come from? Leela smiled and said, From my hands and my heart. Her mother hugged her lightly. In homes across the village, people found tiny wooden stars hanging on their doors. Rowan had left them quietly in the night, just as he did every year. No signature, no price, just love. And in that simple act, everyone remembered the most beautiful gifts are the ones we make with care. Not perfect, just full of heart. So, as you make your Christmas crafts, whether from wood, yarn, paper, or pine cones, remember Rowan's lesson. Take your time, soft hand, warm heart, slow breathe. You are not just crafting decoration, you are not creating something, you are creating memories. You are shaping love into form, and that is the true spirit of Christmas. Thank you for being here. Thank you for making something with your heart. May your season be gentle. May your home be warm. May your home fulfilled with craft, beauty, and happiness. And your hands always create love. Happy festival for everyone who is creating something unique, who wants to do something beautiful as per your desires. So, viewers, thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members.